So, we're gonna try. Ito, nagbibideo ako ngayon. Ito yung nakikita niya. Papakita ko sa inyo sa screen. This is now on a DJI Mic Mini. DJI Mic Mini, are you ready? We're gonna fucking clip it inside my fucking shed. So, pwede ka namin so we're gonna unbox this DJI Mic Mini. So, let's fucking unbox this shit, motherfucking bitch. First, you've got a tab here. You've got a tab that looks like a fucking tutok natin dito yung ilaw. That has this green tab. Whoa. Holy fucking whoa. And smells good. Smells fucking good, innit? And you've got some manuals. Got some manuals right here. Manuals. Siyempre, pag Pinoy ka, di mo yung binabasa. Malupit ka. Alam mo na agad yung ginagawa mo. Meron siyang clip magnet, transmitter charging dock, USB Type-C to USB something, compact carrying pouch, and windscreen dalawa. So how are we gonna connect this DJI Mic Mini to the Osmo Action 5 Pro? How are we gonna connect this? So first thing, you're gonna open your device. Oh shit, pwede pa ito mag-magnet dyan. Loss ah. Okay, gonna connect it. So the DJI is now on. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna format it. You're gonna format SD card. You go to the wireless. Where's the fucking wireless mic? There you go, wireless mic. Turn this fucking on. How to turn this on? Kailangan mo i-hold yung power button. Power button. Where's the power button? Focus ka sa power button. Then there you go. Link button, hold mo. And dapat mag-blue siya. Transmit ah. And there you go. It is connected. 60% battery. And try natin kung paano. So, we're gonna try. Ito, nagbibideo ako ngayon. Ito yung nakikita niya. Papakita ko sa inyo sa screen. This is now on a DJI Mic Mini. DJI Mic Mini, are you ready? We're gonna fucking clip it inside my fucking shed. So, pwede ka namin link button stop. So, yun. Pag pinindot mo yung link button, nag-record siya. Mag-isa siya. Record. That's why it's so fucking cool. Kahit nakabitaw ako dyan, pwede siyang mag-stop and go. There you go. Nag-stop lang siya. Diba? Solid. And there you go. That's it. That's the fucking review of this fucking nice shit. That's the review of the DJI Mic Mini. Here you go. Itatry natin siya sa labas next video. See you, motherfuckers. Ganda ng bag, gagi. Harap. Go. Okay, bye-bye.